Well, hello there, boys and girls. James here speaking, and we're about to see the series of Massad have coffee maker from the yesterday Wednesday, and it's about today is the morning. So it's it has been is going to be to introduce the brand's marketing to coffee and cafe. And I just have coffee makers employees, and I've been starting on the employees works to coffee maker. In that I have this one here. It's the blue plastic badge. I have this book one, and I'll write on this stuff by instead of coffee maker at James Software, and gotta be has my currently money. It's cost 3,500 type byte. And examples I was did made local coffee, and this is my document. And also I have the piece of paper example that's coffee, but instead it has it looked like on days period. It's concerned to be for a coffee maker. What I'm actually just studying and I learned with the coffee maker. Right on the blue plastic badge. It's the pretty very fine with a coffee maker, and with those Thai people employees worker. I've seen like 12 people, and I was only one lead workers by myself, and I do for make these coffee, Thai tea, green tea, lemonade, soda, and anything stuff the coffee there. It takes a long break, a few hours, and I take to work for coffee maker at James Software, and I went to located to Massot and Dock. In fact, it's a pretty very fine there, has stunning my coffee maker's employees. If you would like to see as a coffee maker at the Massot and coffee maker at the Dock, sometimes it's going soon to worked for employees myself. That's all pretty much to say. I am very interesting with coffee maker.